Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Good evening to you. In this puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday, March the 11th, and I've already solved two puzzles: the Sudoku with 1 star, Killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the tectonic and the binary. Well, I've chosen this one because this one has 26 printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. So this one should be more difficult. And this one will be number 6099. 26 printed digits. And let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1's. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. I cannot place number 5 there, otherwise we will have 4 O's in a column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Okay. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 1's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be O. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, complete in 4 minutes. Well, this one without comparing. Easy one. Yeah. 10 by 10. Very easy, very easy. I like this one, easy one, although it has 26 printed digits. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this one, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle or the tectonic with the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.